What's going on everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make rolled oat biscuits. These biscuits are soft and chewy, and they're really easy to make. To get this started, we're going to preheat our oven to 170 degrees. Then in a large mixing bowl, we're going to sift 1 cup of plain all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. We're then going to add 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, and 1 cup of white caster sugar. We're then going to mix all of these ingredients together, and then we want to make a whirl in the center. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 tablespoon's worth of golden syrup, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, and what the bicarbonate soda does is it helps it level it out and also creates that nice little crunch around the edge. And we're also going to add 2 tablespoons worth of boiling water. Going to mix that together. We're then going to pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture, into the whirl we created. And we're also going to add 160 grams of melted butter. Then with a spatula, I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together. And with the mixture, you just want to squeeze it tightly in your hands. And then what I'm going to do is just roll it back and forward, just to create a nice ball. And these weigh 40 grams. Then on a baking tray lined with baking paper, we're going to place our biscuits down, leaving a 2.5 centimeter gap the whole way around. Then once that's done, I'm just going to lightly press them down. We're then going to bake these in our oven for 10 to 12 minutes, just until they're slightly soft to the touch and lightly golden. Then after 12 minutes, our biscuits are lightly golden and slightly soft to the touch. Now I'm going to allow these to cool down for about 10 minutes before I remove them from the tray. Then now that these have cooled down, they're perfectly soft, still have that slight crunch to them. And if you break them in half, that has a really great crunch on the outside and it's extremely soft and chewy in the center. I'm going to pop these into a jar. And these will last 4 days in an airtight container before they start to dry out a little bit. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button down below and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.